英语多简单，听听就会啦。简单句，试试看，张水就说出来吧。学英语最好的方法就是大声地讲出来。
Ready, go!
I'm not surprised.
我不惊讶。
I'm not surprised.
I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised.
That's shocking.
令人震惊。
That's shocking.
That's shocking. That's shocking.
Never mind.
没关系的。
Never mind.
Never mind. Never mind.
Forget about it.
忘了它吧。
Forget about it.
Forget about it. Forget about it.
It's a long story.
说来话长。
It's a long story.
It's a long story. It's a long story.
Believe it or not.
信不信由你。
Believe it or not.
Believe it or not. Believe it or not.
I couldn't help it.
我忍不住。
I couldn't help it.
I couldn't help it. I couldn't help it.
Don't get me wrong.
别误会我。
Don't get me wrong.
Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong.
Don't bother.
别费心啦。
Don't bother.
Don't bother. Don't bother.
Don't waste your energy.
别浪费精力。
Don't waste your energy.
Don't waste your energy. Don't waste your energy.
Stop wasting your time.
别浪费时间。
Stop wasting your time.
Stop wasting your time. Stop wasting your time.
Say no more.
不用再说了。
Say no more.
Say no more. Say no more.
Keep me posted.
随时告诉我。
Keep me posted.
Keep me posted. Keep me posted.
He's going postal.
他要发疯了。
He's going postal.
He's going postal. He's going postal.
That's for sure.
那是肯定的。
That's for sure.
That's for sure. That's for sure.
Tell me about it.
跟我说说吧。
Tell me about it.
Tell me about it. Tell me about it.
As soon as possible.
尽快。
As soon as possible.
As soon as possible. As soon as possible.
What's your ETA?
预计到达时间是。
What's your ETA?
What's your ETA? What's your ETA?
That's unbelievable.
这太不可思议了。
That's unbelievable.
That's unbelievable. That's unbelievable.
That's hard to say.
这很难说。
That's hard to say.
That's hard to say. That's hard to say.
超过一半啦，继续努力。
Can you remind me?
你能提醒我吗？
Can you remind me?
Can you remind me? Can you remind me?
I totally forgot.
我完全都忘了。
I totally forgot.
I totally forgot. I totally forgot.
It slipped my mind.
我忘掉了。
It slipped my mind.
It slipped my mind. It slipped my mind.
Suit yourself.
随你的便。
Suit yourself.
Suit yourself. Suit yourself.
Be my guest.
请便。
Be my guest.
Be my guest. Be my guest.
Please help yourself.
请随便用。
Please help yourself.
Please help yourself. Please help yourself.
After you.
你先来。
After you.
After you. After you.
Make yourself at home.
当自己家一样。
Make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home.
Don't be a stranger.
别当外人。
Don't be a stranger.
Don't be a stranger. Don't be a stranger.
I have no idea.
我不知道。
I have no idea.
I have no idea. I have no idea.
You have no idea.
你不知道。
You have no idea.
You have no idea. You have no idea.
Sounds like a plan.
听起来不错。
Sounds like a plan.
Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan.
That sounds great.
听起来特别棒。
That sounds great.
That sounds great. That sounds great.
No wonder.
难怪。
No wonder.
No wonder. No wonder.
You nailed it.
你搞定了。
You nailed it.
You nailed it. You nailed it.
Zip it.
闭嘴。
Zip it.
Zip it. Zip it.
I'm pumped.
我很兴奋。
I'm pumped.
I'm pumped. I'm pumped.
Get a grip on yourself.
冷静下来。
Get a grip on yourself.
Get a grip on yourself. Get a grip on yourself.
You lost me.
你把我搞糊涂了。
You lost me.
You lost me. You lost me.
He lost it.
他失控了。
He lost it.
He lost it. He lost it.
Yeah, you did it! 今天你还在坚持吗？如果你有了哪怕一点点收获，留言告诉我。加油！记得订阅才能找到我哦。